What's up, everyone? Today we are comparing Cloudy Code, Cursor, and GitHub Copilot, three of the most popular AI coding assistants right now. If you are a developer wondering which one actually saves the most time, this video will give you a clear winner in less than 4 minutes. Let's jump right in. What these tools actually are. Cloud Code AI coding assistant from Anthropic focused on understanding large projects, reasoning through complex logic, and writing clean, maintainable code. Cursor, an AI first code editor built on VS Code that deeply integrates models like Cloudy and GPT for chat, edits, and full project awareness. GitHub Copilot, the OG AI pair programmer from Microsoft/OpenAI, mainly focused on fast autocomplete inside your existing editor. Same goal, write code faster. Different strength, reasoning versus workflow versus speed. Coding accuracy and intelligence. Cloudy Code is the smartest when tasks are complex. It understands architecture, finds bugs across multiple files, and explains why code should be written in a certain way. Great for refactoring and system design. Cursor is close behind because it can use Cloudy or ChatGPT models, but the magic is how it edits entire files automatically. Copilot is fast but more next line prediction and sometimes guesses wrong on big features. Winner for intelligence, Cloudy Code. Speed and daily workflows. Copilot is the fastest for simple coding, functions, loops, boilerplate. You barely stop typing. Cursor feels like a full AI workspace. You can highlight code, say fix this, and it rewrites everything instantly. Cloud Cody is a bit slower but more thoughtful, like a senior dev reviewing your work. Winner for raw speed, Copilot. Winner for productivity flow, Cursor. Features that matter. Cloudy Code, deep reasoning, great explanations, strong at debugging, best for large projects. Cursor, built-in AI chat, one-click refactors, edit multiple files, super beginner friendly. Copilot, best autocomplete, works everywhere, huge language support, most stable. Pricing. Copilot around $10 per month. Cursor free tier plus paid plans. Cloudy Code usually part of Cloudy Pro or API usage. Copilot is the cheapest and simplest. Cursor gives the best value for power users. Who should use what? Choose Cloudy Code if you build serious apps, need architecture help, or debug complex systems. Choose Cursor if you want an all-in-one AI editor that practically codes for you. Choose Copilot if you just want fast suggestions inside VS Code with zero learning curve. Final verdict. Best overall brain, Cloudy Code. Best productivity experience, Cursor. Best everyday assistant, Copilot. My winner is Cursor because it combines cloudy level intelligence with the smoothest workflow, but pros often use Copilot plus Cloudy together for the ultimate setup. And that is it. This is the battle. Cloudy Code versus Cursor versus Copilot. Tell me down below in the comments which one you use, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and please hit that bell icon to get all the new videos about the AI and the coding systems, and see you in the next comparison.